Hey guys, this is Mahima from Style Craze TV, and here I am showing you some amazing DIY hairstyles. DIY stands for do it yourself. So you can do these hairstyles that are really easy on your own hair without going to the parlor. And though it might not be, you might never see a complete, a very finished look, but trust me, the raw look itself looks really pretty for you. And you don't want to go to a parlor every day to get a hairstyle done. So you'd rather try it on your own hair, and it's really easy, just barely takes 5 minutes. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you the regular waterfall hair braid. For this you basically need a side parting, so I've just brushed my hair and parted my hair to the left. If you're comfortable with the right parting, you can do it on the right side as well. So now I'm gonna just take a good section of hair in the front, and I'm gonna create 3 sections out of this for a regular braid. Right, and now I'm gonna braid 1 stitch of regular braid. Now I take some hair from the bottom and add it to this top layer, and then I take some hair from the top of my braid, from the crown area, and add it. Now this little portion that I had, the first section that I took, I'm just gonna leave it off. That's how you do the waterfall braid. You're gonna take another section that is close to the one you left just now as your new bottom section, and you're gonna put this up, cross it over, and again take a small section of hair from the crown area, and add it to the topmost section. Again, leave this section off, take another section from the bottom, and cross this over. And you keep repeating this process till the end of your braid on the left side. Alright, so once you're done with the left side, just take the open ends and clip it up. And I'm just gonna brush this hair a bit. So this is how your waterfall braid should look like. So basically it is a French knot where you keep leaving sections, and that's why it seems as though the hair is falling from beneath each stitch. That's why it's called a waterfall effect. So you could do it on both the sides of your hair like that. I've done it on one side for now, and to be honest, on one side as well it looks really pretty. Maybe you could just add a little maybe a little dazzling little flower tic tac over here or something, and you're ready to go. So I hope you like this video, and do try this hairstyle and let me know how did you like it. So thank you so much. Bye.